Alright, so I'm back. We had 2 snow days here, middle of North Carolina. Neither of which were great snow, but got a little time off from school. It's Saturday. I want to get this pan pulled off today so that Monday when I go back to school I can take it to the part washers there and I'll get it cleaned up. I might see if I can tell what my end play is on the crankshaft. Service manual says you can measure that with feeler gauges, which I would assume you could have. So I might wait until I get my plastic gauge and actually check the bearings. So these are 1/2 inch with quite a bit of paint on, so they're a little tight on the socket. Although they're not real tight in the block. Of course, I don't guess they have to be. I don't know how I forgot that, but we need to pull that plate off so we can actually get to the bolts on the back of the oil pan. Somewhere along the way when it was parked, we had some critters nesting in this thing. When I was gone off of the bell housing, so it wouldn't have been too hard for them to do, but I believe that'll make a trip to school and get cleaned up too. Get that bell housing cleaned out a little bit while I got it apart, because it's bad in there. We got all kinds of stuff. But now I can get to those other bolts right there. Out there all loose. My plan is to pull all of them out except for one at the back and one at the front. What I might actually do is one on each side, a little bit shorter reach, and then hold the pan while I pull those out, because that one's a longer one too. And they are coated in oil. I might have a rear main seal leak, a little bit of one. It would surprise me if I didn't. That was the shortest one yet. Who knows? That's why I buy a service manual. And up here on the front bolster we got another longer one all of a sudden. I don't know what the rhyme reasoning to all that is. So I think this is my last one. They're shorter on this side than they are on the other side of the pan. I don't know. Well, she's on there too. Alright, let me find me a little block of wood here. I won't be checking in play today anyway. I've forgot to bring something to the wrench I need to loosen the fan so I can pull the blade off of the pulley. But I'm going to take it. So my camera battery died. But I had to get a cold chisel and tap to loosen this thing up. Not only started to think there wasn't a gasket in it. There is, but whoever put it in apparently coated both sides of it pretty good with RVT before they got it in there. What I'm looking at though, and am excited about, I guess, this is the oil pan. There's a little bit of buildup in there. I don't see metal. That makes me happy. It's clean. I don't know how long ago this work was done. Obviously, it's going to be a real fun adventure getting all this gasket off of the block. There's my crank. Everything's relatively clean up there. I don't have good light with me today. I wish I had brought some, but I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to find here. The oil pump appears to be pretty well sealed up on the base. I don't know that's going to be my issue. I will probably still take it off and clean it up. Float still. That oil pump feels really well put together. Maybe it was worked on. I don't know. But there's my pan. I'm going to wrap this video up. It's cold. I don't have what I need to do the next part just yet anyway. But that's it. Y'all let me know what you think about this though. I've been running, I forgot to ask the guy that I bought it from what he was using. So I've been running non-detergent oil. Would it be okay to change? Do y'all think I need to keep running it? Because I don't know what the rest of this engine looks like. I'll get a little better picture of the inside of it. Here in a little while, but that is a clean oil pan. I don't know. I think maybe I'd be alright with regular detergent oil. But y'all let me know what you think. I'm going to get this cleaned up. We'll get the next video done here soon and see if we can figure out why this thing's dropping oil pressure. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, thanks YouTube. Let me know what you think. And we'll see you next time. I thought about it after I asked you for your just thoughts about running regular motor oil to see what the top of the motor looked like. So I popped the valve cover off. Obviously I've seen cleaner things in my life, but I think she's pretty clean. But anyway guys, that's what the top of it looks like. Again, let me know if you think yay or nay on the regular motor oil. I don't mind putting ND in it, or yeah, ND in it, but if y'all put that on the right way, if y'all don't think it needs it, I might keep a right switch over. Alright, that's the end of it for real this time. Thanks YouTube.